hotline, please hold me close to you. Baby flatline, still time to do it too. Baby snack time, chow down to her mother, and she's a hoarder of quarters and no